Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are seeing my video for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel. And as from the title, you guys must be already knowing that today's video again Amazon beauty plus skincare haul. So yes, I have a bunch of amazing products which I have ordered from Amazon and which are related beauty and skincare. So it's something, you will get something really amazing products to see over here. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, let's start with the first product. So first product over here is this Nivea Shower Gel. Yes, they are amazing. Like ये 3 के पैक मैंने मंगा दिए and मैंने open भी नहीं किया है, trust me, because already है in bathroom and we use that while showering. So yes, I and my brother both like, and इसमें pink वाला we just loved it. Okay, so if you guys are looking for good shower gel and in budget and something which makes you refresh, you can definitely try these Nivea ones. And yes, if you take bath, especially in this summers, evening में जब हम लोग बाथ लेते हैं, you don't like to use those soap. Morning में ठीक है, but evening में yes, we don't like. So we use these shower gels, at least me and my brother. So even you can try these out. If you check the consistency is very nice and it has granules inside this. So it is very nice and refreshing while taking bath. The granules even helps you to give little scrub to your body. It is very nice. Okay, next product again of shower, like while you take bath the morning. This is Plum body scrub and which is cherry flavor, and I just loved it. Yes, I just love this scrub. Like this is very nice. This is a alternative of that coffee scrub. If you don't like coffee scrub, which I used to use from M Caffeine, you can definitely go for this. Yes, this is on a little expensive side, but ये चलता है, like लंबा खासा चलता है. Like I have been using this since 1 week और ये इसमें काफ़ी है, and this is in a liquidy form and एकदम jelly type का है. And you can yes apply all over your body, but yes, if you ask me that M Caffeine coffee scrub, that's little harsh on your body and this is little soft on your body. So it's okay, like it totally depends on you what kind of scrub do you like and what kind of scrub do satisfy you. I love this one and coffee one as well. So yes, both are amazing. I'll mention the price on the screen so I don't miss out on anything. Next, after bath, what we do? Yes, body lotion. Yes, I apply body lotion every day, whether it is summer, winter or monsoon. I apply every day and I use Cocosoul body lotion. If you guys don't know, just go and follow me on Instagram, you'll know it. I apply this Cocosoul body lotion every single day. Yes, I have tried bunch of body lotion, but I don't know, I love this because इसका smell ना बहुत अच्छा है. The smell of this body lotion is amazing. And yes, the consistency is also very good, not that thick, not that runny as well. I don't know, I just love this body lotion. I have tried many, but I don't know, I love this. And yes, this is not a sponsored video, nothing of the products are sponsored. So yes, the smell of this Cocosoul body lotion is amazing. Next thing which I have ordered from Amazon is this pimple gel. Is something which you have to apply on your pimple at night, and at the morning when you remove that, the pimple is almost gone or all those dirt from your pimple is removed. And this even claims that you can apply this pimple gel and apply makeup over this, so your skin is not damaged. ऐसा मैंने किधर तो पढ़ा था. So it is quite good product. You can order this and it is even not that expensive. Like इसमें बहुत सारे sheets आते हैं. See, there are 72 dots. That is 24 pieces of 12 mm and 48 pieces of 8 mm. 8 mm छोटे pimples के लिए 8 mm काफ़ी है. So उसके 48 pieces आते हैं यार. मतलब काफ़ी लंबा चलता है. Okay, next an amazing different product over here is this bottle. Now you will be wondering ये क्या है? Contouring stick, ये stick, वो stick, lipstick. No, this is a brush, makeup brush. Okay, you can see this makeup brush is really soft and very soft. Now yes, this is for traveling purpose. Like ये गंदा नहीं होता है. The best part is that like it won't damage when you keep in your purse or when you can keep anywhere. Like that's why I just loved it. And ये एकदम बड़ा सा भी नहीं है, छोटू सा है. Like of my finger size, you can say that. मेरे hand में एकदम palm के size का है. So this is amazing. I just love this. Like yes, जिसका इसका जो भी प्राइस है ना, आई कैन से इट इज़ वर्थ इट. लाइक दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. नेक्स्ट 3 things are restocked and that is this nail polish. Yes, this Revlon nail polish. I had this shade. Like I got this in gift few years back and yes, I reordered this again, this same shade, and this is amazing shade. It's something on pink and reddish side, and this is my mom's favorite, not my. I am kind of a pastel person. I apply pastel kind of nail polishes, but this is dark colors is what she loves, and yes, this is a nice product. Next is this lipstick. This lipstick is from Maybelline and I have been using this since ages, and the shade is 245 Seeker Brown Lip Color. This is super stay matte ink and ये सच्ची में रहता है. Like it's a long lasting lipstick. So you can see this shade. This shade is really good. Now the next product is something on very expensive side. I will do a separate video of this, like is this worth buying or not. But yes, you can see this is from Colorbar. This is from the range Colorbar Kissproof lipstick. You can check this shade. The shade over here is Maroon 003. This is something which I have applied currently over here. You can see it is something in maroon magenta color kind of. Yeah, not typically maroon. It's something of purplish, dark purple wine color. Yeah. Now the next product over here is this. This is from Gillette Venus. वो छोटा वाला traveling वाला pack. Since I have been traveling since many weekends, so सारी traveling की चीज़ें मैंने ज़्यादा मंगा दी है. So this is the box which you can keep in your purse. This is from Venus, Gillette Venus. Now when you open this, you have these you have this soft, again upper वाला side. इसके अंदर blades है. So when you remove, see इसके अंदर blades है box के अंदर. When you remove this, you get 3 blades over here. You can take one blade. There are 3 gel blade which you can take from here, open it and just apply this with this above section and you are ready to go. With full blade we can put over here and we can close this box. Now yes, if you ask me, this box has dots over here. So these dots help you, like if you have a wet blade, then you can put over there and all the water will drip from outside, so it won't even damage you. If you ask me, yes, I do shave my hands, legs, and yes, I do shave and I don't do waxing. Previously I used to do waxing, but उससे ना मुझे बहुत boils हो गए थे on my hands and legs and बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने वो boils निकाले. So no way I am going back to waxing. But yes, shaving is really amazing. I have done a separate video of that, like all the myths which people have, which girls do have. So you can watch that video. I'll put all the videos link in the description box. Yes, so this is an amazing product and this was in my wish list since it got launched. But I never thought to buy because it wasn't needed. But when I was traveling like frequently, तब I felt the need and I was like, next product which I am going to order is this. Yes, so ये तो बहुत time से wish list में था ही. Okay, next and last product, maybe the second last product over here is these pouches. This makeup removal pouches. This makeup removal pads. and yes, they are very soft. You can see like बहुत ही soft है. And what you have to do is nothing, just apply your micellar water and makeup remover or anything, and just swipe it all over your face, and whole makeup will be absorbed over here, and you can even throw this in machine and it is washed. Yes, it is very easy, that easy. So I have ordered these two, like वो 2 के पैक में ही आता है. So it is quite affordable as well, and one time investment है. At least the cottons which we use regularly, वो तो restock करना पड़ता है, उससे better है like you have to just wash it. So yes, this is nice, and it is very soft over your skin. So for that I have ordered this Bioderma. Yes, this is on very expensive side if you ask me. Micellar water है, but this is very good on your skin and gentle on your skin. So once you invest in Bioderma and once you are going towards Bioderma, no looking back. Trust me. Yes, I have used micellar water of Garnier. They are also amazing. They are like two based, like water based and oil based. So I have been using water based, but Bioderma is like, yes, I was like, is it hyped? But no, it is not hyped. This is really a good product, and the price is little expensive. So if you are a teenage and not willing to spend this products on this micellar water, on this thing, you can definitely go for Garnier, which I have already shown many times on my channel. Okay, it works amazing directly with water, so you don't need any cleanser or micellar water. You can directly remove all of your makeup with water itself. This is amazing, like wow. And what I have to do is just throw this inside the washing machine to wash it. Yeah, that was all for today. These were the only products which I have ordered from Amazon, and if you have any other products or if you want me to try much other products, just drop the link on my Instagram DM. I'll definitely next time order that product and try that out for you guys. So yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video was useful, something very interesting and useful. Yes, share with your friends, and yes, do subscribe to my channel. Do click on that like button so it motivates me and I can make more and more videos for you guys. That was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.